Hello, boys and girls. This week we read the story called Jack and the Wolf, and these are the words to know. The word is come. Wolf cubs come out of their den in the spring. The next word is said. The ranger said that the cubs love to play. The next word is call. A mother wolf can call to her cubs. The next word is the word hear. Wolves hear better than people. The next word is the word away. Wolves can travel far away from home. The next word is the word every. Every wolf helps other wolves in its pack. In the story Jack and the Wolf, we need to understand the characters in the story. There is a lesson to be taught here in the story because this is a fable. And a fable is a short story that teaches a lesson about life and events that happen over and over. Jack and the Wolf. The essential question: what lessons can you learn from story characters? Written by Chris Shaban. Once upon a time, Jack sat on a big hill. Jack had every sheep with him. "It is not fun to sit," said Jack. "I will yell wolf for fun. Wolf!" His friends ran up the hill to help. They did not see Wolf. Jack sat back on the hill. "I will yell wolf. Wolf!" His friends ran back up the hill. They did not see the wolf. Jack sat back on the hill. Wolf got up on a rock. "Wolf!" Jack and his sheep ran away. "Did you hear me call?" said Jack. "You did not come." "You cannot trick us," said Nell. "I will be good," said Jack. "I will not trick you." The end.